It's coming up on 6:19 on Wednesday morning. Beautiful start to the day, as you can see by this live look from the Oquirrh Mountain camera at across Salt Lake Valley. We've got a few high clouds in the far north. There's been some patchy fog near the Idaho border, especially in Cache Valley, but otherwise fair skies as we start out. So looking good, hopefully feeling comfortable for you. Temperatures a little bit above freezing in Salt Lake, where it's 34, although we've got a breeze out of the southeast, 12 miles per hour, which makes it feel more like it's in the mid-20s. It's 20 in Evanston this morning, colder in Delta, 19, 37 in Blanding, 25 in Cedar City, 40 currently in St. George. But even if you're shivering when you step out the door this afternoon, you're going to be loving the early March weather, with high pressure continuing to build in from the coast. That'll dominate the weather pattern, not only keeping it dry, so we've got a lot of sunshine on tap, but the temperature is going to be climbing about 5 degrees higher than it did yesterday across the majority of the viewing area. And as the high pressure actually moves to the east of us later in the week, we'll get a southwesterly flow developing, and that's when the temperature will climb well above normal. In fact, even this afternoon will be about 5 degrees above our average high of 50 in Salt Lake. We're forecasting 55 degrees. It'll be same thing in Ogden, 57 in Provo, 47 in Logan, 39 in Evanston. You'll be hovering near 60 in a lot of the western valleys, up to 63 in Richfield, 68 in St. George this afternoon. So sunny, mild day, beautiful evening with clear skies, and then tonight it looks like temperature will be dropping down into the low to mid 30s along the Wasatch Front. So in some places staying just above freezing, although down to 20 in Park City, upper 20s to low 30s in a lot of the central valleys, and a low temperature of 38 in St. George. But even if it's, again, chilly when you head out in the morning, next couple afternoons will feel like springtime in the south. Low 70s in St. George Thursday and Friday, as well as Saturday, and then partly cloudy early next week with the temperature dropping back down into the mid-60s. And for northern Utah, it's going to be sunny, 63 tomorrow, partly cloudy with a high of 66 on Friday. We'll get some wind out of the south. That's what's going to help us warm up so much. And it'll be pretty mild on Saturday, but the next storm moves in Saturday night. That'll bring valley rain, mountain snow to northern and central Utah, with heavy snow possible at times in the mountains, but in the valleys warm enough it'll stay as rain that'll continue off and on into next Tuesday.